Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you scan barcodes on iPhone or iPad. So guys, to scan barcodes on iPhone or iPad, you cannot scan it through your code scanner app which is into your device. From this device, but you can scan it by an app which you need to download from App Store. So go to App Store and in the top search bar just search for barcode scanner. And after searching for it, here you can see there are so many barcode scanner app. You can just choose any of it, and to install it click on get, and after clicking on get you need to just confirm it by clicking double click on the side button, and after that through this app you can just scan barcode. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find it helpful. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Techavro. Thank you very much for watching the video.